Today I'm going to be setting up my brand new Hobonichi Weeks for 2021. Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. I am so excited to be setting up my brand new Hobonichi Weeks. I have all of these really fun goodies that I pulled to help me set up. I decided to go with the gorgeous mint green cover this year. It is so pretty. I probably would have chosen the light blue nuance cover, but I had the nuance pink last year, and with those covers it is really hard to get these guys to lay flat, so I decided to go with this, and I am so happy I did because it is so gorgeous. I also decided to get the regular weeks instead of the mega weeks, which is the first for me, so we'll see if that bites me in the booty, but I do think that I will have plenty of note pages for what I plan on for this year. So let's go ahead and get started. There's so many fun goodies here. It's probably going to be a little long of a video. Alright, the first thing I want to do is my cover page. Now I use this as my everyday carry, so 2020 obviously was a bum year, not going many places, but I still use this as my personal and my work planner, so all of the information that I need is in my Hobonichi Weeks. So I want to make sure that I have all of my contact info available. That way if for some reason I do lose this little guy, it's going to be right here and I will get it returned to me. I also have this larger space here that I can put in more information that I need, or use it as a little quote box or goal planning right up front here. This is kind of a little sneak peek at our brand new January collection that will be coming out soon as well. I also created this large page that I wanted to put on the left-hand side. I'm not sure if I want to like stick it on here, washi it, or put it in the cover, so I think I'm just going to put this aside for now, and I will come back to that when I put the cover on. But I am definitely going to be placing this down. Now because it is a full sticker sheet, it's easier to actually turn the planner sideways to get these large sticker sheets down, so you're not just putting it down right on top. I kind of like to just eyeball it closer to the right there to make sure we're giving enough space. I think that looks good. Perfect. Alright, and then I also have this gorgeous acetate. I believe that I got this at a Go Wild a couple years ago. It's meant for like a traveler's notebook, like a pocket size, so you can fold it in half. Since I don't actually use that, I thought I would use it on top of the nameplate here. I know the heart should probably go this way, but doesn't that look super pretty? And that way I can have it like taped in and flip back and forth. I think that looks so gorgeous. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that. I'm also going to use a little corner rounder just so that I'm not poking myself on these corners every time I'm flipping the page. Alright, that worked really well. Now I also want to make sure that it stays in place, so I grabbed a couple different washi choices here. I thought I would tip it in on both sides, that way I can flip it over like rose gold, gold, rose gold, gold. Very pretty. I love that. How gorgeous is that with the little heart peeking through? So pretty. All right, so let's go ahead and just jump right into the yearly view. You guys can see here, I do have my yearly view kit for this page. It is very similar to last year's. I have a couple of bows that are new, also a dotted line here. This box is slightly bigger than last year, and then also some extra side washi bars, like an ombre, and it really does match my color scheme here. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting these guys down. Alright, so this sticker sheet comes with 2 large washi strips and 2 smaller ones. The large ones are meant for the left hand side and the smaller ones for the right. Obviously you can use them wherever you like. You can put this one on top of here and write in like important dates, birthdays, things like that, or just leave it blank. I'm actually not going to use it and leave mine blank. Alright, that is a look at my yearly view. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with it. You guys know this is my color palette, love it. And then I just put the little bow in the right hand corner. There is one large washi strip left. Like I said, you can put it right here and write in birthdays or anniversaries or special dates, things like that. I am just going to leave it for now. I am going to hold on to it though, just in case I decide to put something there. So let's go ahead and move on. Now, I do plan on doing a whole video on my index pages because I am going to be using this very differently for 2021 alongside the note pages. So stay tuned for that video. If you guys want to see that, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Alright, and the next thing I want to do is add all of my tabs. So I like to have everything tabbed, that way I can actually get to the month easier. Now the Hobonichi Weeks, you can see, have all of these little black boxes for the month. It is a little different of a setup than I would like, so let's see here. I'm not going to tab the actual months. I'm going to use a bookmark for the monthly view and also for the note section. I do tab them in my Hobonichi Cousin, but in here I feel like I don't actually need a tab for that. Now this one actually starts for the beginning of December with November 30th up at the top there, but I'm not going to tab that page. I'm going to start with January here. Now you guys can see it does say 12 on the left there, but January is on the left hand side here. And I like to have my tab right before the month, so I'm actually going to put it up top. I also like to start with my tabs all the way up top here and then tab them all the way down. So I'm going to go ahead and get started so you guys can see what I mean. Now January, I will start there. There are little divots on each side of the corner here. I did do a whole video showing you how I place my tabs down in my Hobonichi Weeks and my Cousin. So I'm just going to start and leave a little card up in the right hand corner so you guys can check out that video. I do like to place the top of the sticker against the line here. That way it makes it easier to line up, and then I just reverse that on the back side and flip it over to the line. And guys, it is so super easy that way. As long as you line it up on the line for both sides, it works out really well. So let's finish this guy off. All right, all of my tabs are down now. There are a couple different methods to put these tabs down, but really the main thing is to just keep them all together with less of a gap to make sure that January through December fits on here. So that's why I start January up at the top, and then as you could see later on, I put December down just to make sure that I was spacing it correctly. I could have probably moved January up a notch more and everything else would have given it a little bit more room, but I think it looks wonderful. I also have different options in the store for the tabs. You can get the colorful script, colorful printed. You can also get monochrome script or monochrome print as well. So if you're not a colorful fan, the monochrome is an option as well. So that is a look at how I use my tabs. Like I said, I will be using a bookmark to get to my note pages and then also to my monthly pages here. That way I can move it around for when the next month is, and same thing with the note pages in the back there. I do plan on doing a video on the note pages and the index page as well. All right, let's go ahead and put our cover on. I like to use the clear cover that I have in the shop because this is an everyday carry. I want to be able to not add a ton of bulk to it, unlike the Hobonichi Cousin that I have a huge cover for, because that one really just stays at home, so I can have all my stickers and goodies in there. This, I'm just going to carry a few extra goodies. Let's move this aside. I also have a name for my cover as well. I just printed out my name that I'm going to put on the corner here. There are a few other options for names in the shop as well. Last year I just had one. Now there's a couple different choices. I just put it on some transfer tape. That way I can get it down easily on my planner here. So I'm just going to put that right there and make sure that it is down before I take the transfer tape up. Now if you do order this in the shop, I already put this on your planner, so you don't have to worry about transferring it onto your planner. It's also a white removable sticker, so if for some reason you don't like it, you can just take that up and use the clear cover. Yay! Oh my gosh, I love how that looks. So pretty. All right, let's put this guy in. Alright, that is so much easier than doing the mega, and there's just so much space in here. Oh, I love how that looks. So pretty. So yeah, I like to keep this pretty plain. Sometimes I will add some stickers. Most of the time I will just put it in the plastic here so I can change it out for seasons. But yeah, that is so nice. I think what I will do is actually put this in here rather than taping it on the left-hand side. How does that look? Yeah, that looks great. Now, I wanted to add some sticky notes to this. That's why I thought it would be nice to actually just be able to pull it in and out. I do have these Simply Gilded sticky notes that I thought would look perfect, and I'm just going to put a couple of them in here, and that way I will have them available when I need to on the go. All right, I think I'm going to put it down just a little bit. Yeah, that looks great. Perfect. And let's just slide that right in. Perfect. Yeah, that way I can just slide this in and out and grab some sticky notes when I want to. I might put some extra little stickers up top there. All right, and then I also have a couple little stickers that I want to keep in here. These circle clear dots and the check mark circles are stickers that I grab all the time when I'm using my Hobonichi Weeks and my cousin, so I want to make sure these are in here. I also have a little freebie. This is a huge sneak peek of our next collection, our January collection, which will be coming to the shop in a couple of weeks. If you do want to sign up for our subscription, subscribers get their kits first and at a better value. You have until the 5th of November to sign up for January's collection, and I am just so excited about it. It is definitely like elegant and chic, so pretty. I'm going to put these actually in the back here. There's just so much space in here. I might actually grab some more stickers and put them in here and in the back as well, but I think that is good for now. Oh, and then one last thing. I have this adorable little washi card from Simply Gilded, and I think it fits perfectly in the front pocket here. So that is a look at my Hobonichi Weeks 2021 setup. I am so excited to start fresh for the new year. I may actually start in December and do a December plan with me. If you guys want to see that, definitely let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!